Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss about live-in relationship, that whether it is legal or illegal to live in relationship, and what is the condition of, or what is the scenario of live-in relationship in India. So if I tell you the basics, that it is not illegal to live in relationship. And now what is live-in relationship? Live-in relationship is when two people are living together and doing all the things which are done after doing marriage. So the basic thing is that everything is same, just marriage is not done. Without marriage, two people are living together. So is it legal to do this? So there is no law which is saying that it is illegal to live in a live-in relationship. There is a recent case which occurred, which was in news as well, that Punjab and Haryana High Court rejected a petition in which two people who were living in live-in relationship approached the High Court for protection of their life, and High Court rejected their application by saying that if they will allow this protection, that will disturb the fabrics of the society. But when these two couples, in which girl is barely of around 18 years and a boy is of around 21 years, when they approached to the Supreme Court allowed their petition and gave direction to the superintendent of Punjab state to give them protection for their life, as they were getting live threats from the family of girl. So they get this protection, and Supreme Court earlier also has said that it is not illegal to live in relationship, but whether it is immoral or it is not accepted by society, it is not illegal. If two people who are adults want to live in a live-in relationship, they can do so. So that is not illegal. But if I tell you some more facts about this, in India, if two people live like a married life, which is also in live-in relationship, like you are living together under a same roof, you are doing all the things which married couple do. So if someone is doing this thing, like someone is living in live-in relationship, and if they have done it for a very long period of time, then that will be treated as a marriage in court. If any of the person, like if either male or female who are living in live-in relationship, approach to the court for any relief they want, as regarding anything, they will get that relief as if they will get if it was a marriage, until and unless other person prove that it was not a marriage, because court presumes this. If you are living like a married life from a long period, then you are a married person or you are a married couple. So you have to prove that you are not married and you were living only in a live-in relationship. So this is a concern. And like what relief other person can take, like if the girl wants to get relief of domestic violence, then that girl also get that. If girl wants to get maintenance, then girl also can get that. So these are the things which people who are living in relationship can face. There is nothing like illegal. So if anybody is saying you that you can't live in relationship, that is wrong. If somebody is harassing you, or somebody is saying anything to you, then that is wrong. And if police is approaching you and saying, first of all, police will not approach you in this. And if you have this concern that police will approach you, then that is wrong. Police will not say you anything for this, as this is not illegal. And if they says you something, you can tell them what the law is, because knowledge is power. If you have knowledge, then you can do all the things which are legal in India. If I tell you the name of the case which recently occurred, it is Gurvinder Singh another versus the state of Punjab and others. So you can quote this case, and if somebody is really harassing you, or if something occurred with you, then you can directly approach to the High Court and give reference of this case, whatever happened in this case. And if you don't get relief from High Court, you can also approach to Supreme Court, and for sure Supreme Court will give you relief, as this is our fundamental right. Also it is our right to life. So if somebody is giving you life threats, that is also illegal under IPC. Also you can do complaint against them if you have evidences against them, that they are doing such things, then you can also file FIR against them by doing first complaint and then converting that into FIR, and all the legal actions which are required will be taken by the police. So it is not illegal if you are living in live-in relationship, if any of your friend is living in live-in relationship, if you are a law student, and if anybody asks you that whether live-in relationship is illegal, you can tell them, and if you are a lawyer, then you should know what are the reliefs or what legal advice you can give to your client. So this is the thing all about live-in relationship in India. That is the status about live-in relationship of this is a status of live-in relationship in India. So this is the all thing about live-in relationship which you should know, that it is not illegal. It can be said that it is immoral, it is not accepted by society, but it is not illegal. So if you want to live in live-in relationship, you can do that. Nobody will say you anything. If somebody says, take the remedies which are available to you as per law. So this is all about live-in relationship. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do like it and share it with your friends who wants to know about live-in relationship, that what is live-in relationship, what are the legal remedies available to him or her, what is the legal status of this particular thing in India. So this is all about this, and please do subscribe to my channel also. Thank you so much for watching this video.